Hey guys, today is paint day. If you missed the last video, we sanded the rear lip and we primed it. Today we're ready for paint, so we are going to prep it with some Gone, like I used in the lip video. And then we are going to paint it and we might even clear coat it tonight. That's the plan for this video and I hope it all goes smooth. That's gonna be it for tonight. I think it turned out really good. This clear coat is the most amazing stuff you'll ever buy. It is $20 a can, but it's worth the price, I think. It's a 2K clear coat, and it has this pin in the bottom that you have to press in when you're shaking it to activate it, and it releases hardener or some type of chemical into the can, and that's what makes it so good. I don't know what it is, but I read that this is the closest thing you can get to a paint gun clear coat with an aerosol, which still isn't very good, but it'll do for my application. I use just Duplicolor Ultra Silver, the GM color. I think it matches pretty well. That's what I use on the grill and lip. The first time, there's a train. I love how it turned out. It's very shiny. It's very flat. I mean, just look at that. The grill turned out the best, I think. I did get some runs in... Actually, I think they flattened out. Also, this clear coat is really good at flattening out too, because I nicked the grill before I went inside after the first coat. And and I came back out and it leveled itself out and you couldn't see the neck anymore, which is really good. So if you get a small run, it might just level out. Because I know I had a run here and it's not there anymore. I'm very happy with how they turned out, even with the runs. I'll even put the spray paint in the description of the video because this is good stuff. What you're supposed to do is like do a really, really, really light first coat and then go heavier. You're supposed to get heavier and heavier and heavier, because if you go heavy right off the bat, then it's just gonna run like I did. On my first coat, I did a really good job, but the second coat, I just got a little too heavy because I was so excited about it, and you know, it ran. I got the bumper pulled off the car. As you can see, these cars actually look really good without the bumper, I think. But obviously you have to have a bumper. So I'm working on mounting my front lip right now. So what I'm going to do is just set the front lip on the ground and then place the bumper on top of the rear, on top of the lip, and then go from there so that I can get it flat and perfect.
I laid awake just begging to let go. I almost got to suicidal thoughts, but you stepped in. An angel sent from heaven showed me how to live again. Now I'm falling and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down.
I only bought 8 clips because they're so expensive, and I didn't feel like spending so much money on them. 8 clips was still $46, so that's still pretty expensive. But, as you can see, I have all of the middle tabs done, and I have these 4 on the corners in place, on each corner. And these clips broke, so I Gorilla Glued them, and I wrapped that one with tape, and they actually held really well. This is what the rear lip looks like when it's on the car. I like how it makes it look so much more aggressive. The clips, some of the clips did break. This one was already broken when I got the lip, and this one I broke because it was already sort of cracked in the middle. I Gorilla Glued them, as you saw, I think, in the clip when it was on the stand. And I think this one held up pretty good, but this one I think came apart again. The solution to this is, if you have that happen to you with your lip, then you could probably plastic weld it and have it be stronger than just the Gorilla Glue. And it might even be as strong as factory. You just have to make sure the shape is good. But for now, I think I'm okay with this.